So it is currently 6:27 in the morning, and I came to the local swap shop flea market in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. It is off Sunrise Boulevard, to sell some stuff. I have probably 50 pairs of shoes with me, a few jackets, like polo jackets, but not many clothes, because what I've realized is the flea market, shoes sell. Like, it doesn't matter who's buying, they sell. Whether it's other vendors buying it at a lower price and they're just gonna put it at their booth for higher, or people that actually want to take it home and resell it on eBay or for themselves, whatever the case may be, there's tons and tons of sneaker buyers at this flea market. So I literally brought 50 pairs of shoes. I brought like Jackson's old dog cage, rest in peace Jackson. I'm probably just gonna wait till somebody asks to buy it, then I'm just gonna give it to them for free. I just don't want to make money off Jackson's old things. And obviously with Captain, I don't need that big of a cage. So when someone asks like, hey, how much is this? If they're interested, I'll just say, yo, just take it. Because like I said, rest in peace Jackson. I'm not gonna try to make 10 bucks off of him. That's just fucked up. But yeah, I didn't realize, so you have to get in the line before 7 and it's free. And then if you want a second table, it's $7. But if you get in after 7, it's $10. I got here at 6:27 thinking I'm good. No, look at this line I'm in. So it wraps all the way around. All the way around up to where that white thing is, to the front. So I don't think I'm gonna make it before 7, which means I'm gonna have to end up paying $10, which is sad because I literally only came here because it was free. I didn't want to spend the money, but it is what it is. If there's this many people, then I'm hoping a lot of people show up. But I was also thinking, like, if there's this many people, low-key I could probably make more money going around buying stuff than I could selling stuff. So we're gonna have to try to figure out how I can make the rounds and see what people are selling and whatnot. I'm by myself today, so it's kind of gonna be difficult. I'm thinking maybe I set up real quick, because usually when you set up within the first 10 minutes, there's like scavengers that just come and like eat everything. So I'm hoping that they just come and like, yo, I'll take all this, I'll take all this, and then I can pack up and then kind of walk around and you know, film and try to buy some things. But I've never seen it this packed before. There's probably easily 500 plus cars today, and today's a Thursday. It's not even a Saturday or Sunday, so I can't imagine what Saturday is. But then I thought about it, and it's probably because people are, one, clearing out their house because it's the end of the year. 2, it's gonna be the first tomorrow, so people are trying to get like that extra money to whether to move or to pay bills, whatever the case may be. And it's COVID and people are hurting for money, so they're just trying to sell a bunch of their shit. So I will catch up to you guys once we make it to the front. Like I said, there's no chance I'm making it before 7 because I've already been here for 20 minutes and we haven't really moved. So I guess I'll just catch up to you once I am back and like I have my spot and I start setting up. Well, current update, sun's coming up. It's currently 6:53. We're still probably 40 cars behind the front of the line. So we're gonna have to end up paying, like I said, $10. For the first table, it was usually the first table's free and then the second table is $7. Now I'm gonna have to pay, I think, $10 for the first table and $7 for the second table if I want. So literally just an extra $10 being spent just because I didn't get through the gate by 7. But it is what it is. Like I said, I'm hoping with this many vendors, I'm hoping a lot of people are buying. But one thing that I did forget is that we're in the middle of a stupid pandemic, so all the spaces are like a car length apart. So that's probably why it's taken so long, is because before they would just bring you guys in, like you drive in and you park where you are and that's where it is. But now, since they have to space you out, it seems like it's taking a lot longer, and that's probably why there's such a long line. Because like I said, I've never seen this big of a line before, especially for a Thursday. But I guess we'll see. Like I said, I'll catch up to you guys once I'm parked and everything. I'm kind of thinking, depending on how the setup is and how, like, if people are around, I'm thinking about parking, making a round first, seeing if there's any like dope clothing, and then setting up, versus setting up and waiting, because by the time I set up and everything and sell, the good stuff will probably be gone. Now granted, there's probably people that have been here since 5 a.m. that are looking for vintage and the same stuff that I'm looking at, but I think I'm gonna start coming here throughout the week, because I feel like there's a lot of potential to get clothes, but also there's not, because I've been coming to this flea market for a while, and you guys know clothing is always a hit or miss. Now, if you want appliances, if you want sneakers, if you want other stuff like that, then yeah, this is a good spot to come to. But I guess we'll see. We'll see. Like I said, it's a Thursday. We're chilling. We're relaxed. Let's hope we make some money. Finally, we made it to the front. By the way, this is what the front looks like. It's in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, off Sunrise Boulevard. Honestly, since I'm moving to Miami, I'm probably gonna piss a lot of people off, but honestly, you guys know I literally give zero fucks about anything. I'm probably gonna make the best thrift stores in Fort Lauderdale, South Florida area. I'm gonna give a lot of secrets out. Since I'm moving to Miami, I'm not gonna be thrifting in Fort Lauderdale, so might as well give you guys the good spots versus the people having the good spots. So yeah, if you guys wanna see the best spots in Fort Lauderdale, South Florida, Coral Springs, whatever, like up north, like North South Florida, if you know what I'm talking about, not Miami, because I'm moving to Miami, so I'm not gonna give you Miami spots, but I'll give you the spots that I'm not gonna be going to anymore. If you guys wanna see that, let me know. I just love pissing people off, and let's piss off some locals and give out the spots. So the first spot I'm literally telling you guys is a swap shop. Thursdays, Saturdays, Sundays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays, I would say, is probably the busiest days that you can come and shop or come and sell. So yeah, I just gave you guys a little hint. You're welcome. So I guess it is free because it's 7:15. She's like, do you want free or do you want to pay? And I said, of course I want free. So what I am assuming is that there's a free section and then there's priority. I'm assuming priority maybe gets like the front rows or the middle section, the good spot, and then the free, they kind of just place around. I'm not really sure. I've only sold here once, so I'm not really educated on it. But yeah, it was free. And then I guess the table is free. I don't know. I gotta figure out the table. I'm hoping I don't have to pay twice for the table. I'm hoping that the free entrance includes one table, but I could be wrong. Now I guess we just gotta wait. We're just waiting to see where they put us. We're in the swap shop. See, there's a couple people set up, but we gotta see where we're going. Finally fully set up. So far, I sold a pair of Vans for $8 and 2 pair of True Religions that were dirty. I paid $1 each. I sold them for $5 each just to get rid of them. And it's funny, someone came up and was like, how much for these brand new Air Forces, right? And I was like, 60. He's like, oh, swap shop, no, you're not gonna get that. I'm like, okay, well, I don't care. It was free to sell, so if I don't sell anything, I'm making a video. This is content. Like, I'll get paid for the YouTube video. And he's just like, oh, well, you know, you're not gonna get that price at swap shop. I'm like, okay, buddy. Like, I don't know why you're sitting here fucking talking shit. And then as he was walking away, he was like, I see you on YouTube, by the way, too. I'm like, okay, well, if you know who the fuck I am, why are you sitting here talking shit? Like, I hate people sometimes, but we'll see. I'm not too stressed about it. If people want to pay the prices, they're not gonna pay the prices. But I'm not gonna give stuff for free, you know? That was 40. 40.
And this?
80.
What is that, Gucci?
Salvador Ferragamo. Yeah, Ferragamo.
What if you got more?
So someone just came here, just got these for 40, got some baby shadows.
You got these before me.
What'd you get the wraps for?
That's what happens out here, man.
Yeah. What'd you get the wraps for?
25.
25? Yeah. Steal.
I know how to clean them up.
Yeah, no, it's a good come up. So I just sold 2 pairs of Jordans to that guy that I showed you that got the Royals and the Ralph Simmons. He came up on those, like, he came up, and I ended up selling 2 shoes for 50 bucks, so not bad. We're, you know, slowly getting it. Like I said, if I don't sell anything, I'm perfectly fine with that. It was free to come here, so that 40. But I've noticed a lot of people are like, oh my god, your prices are too high. And it's like, it is what it is. Like, I don't need to sell this stuff. I'm just trying to make some space in inventory. You know, I'm not doing this to make money. I'm doing this to make space. So it is what it is. We'll be here for another couple hours, and then we'll just go back home. But like I said, at least we got a video out of it. At least we got some content. And oh, I did I did get rid of Jackson's dog cage. Someone said how much, and I said if you want it, take it, and he took it. So I figured I would go fast because it's free. But yeah, now we're just sitting up here. We have 2 bags of tennis balls, some clothes like True Religion, stuff like that. I actually got rid of True Religion jeans for $5 each. These are the sneakers, because basically what I do is I put one shoe out just because I don't trust people. I don't want them to just walk away when there's a lot of people. I've had people that are like 20 people up here at once looking at all the shoes. So yeah, I always put out one sneaker, like if it's a sneaker event, and then put the sneakers in the back. Well, I just did sneaker deal, 3 pairs for $100. I can't even show this $100 bill. So we're making money, slowly but surely. Like I said, today was a free day, so I'm not really expecting too much. I'll probably leave within the hour or so, just because, like I said, you know, make a couple $100, leave. I had a good morning, continue our day. Well, currently 9:34, a little update. We're making a little dent. Like I said, if I can get maybe 5-6 pairs gone, honestly, I want these baseball cards out of here because it's just way too much space. But you know, if we can get some things gone, I don't mind. I literally just, like I said, brought stuff just to get rid of it, so make some space. So as I was sitting here, my neighbor seller over here had this, and I picked it up for $5. It'll be perfect for the car. I'll just throw it in the back, and has a little screwdriver in case I need to do any kind of work. Well, and just like that, we are done. I have everything loaded up in the car. It is currently 12 o'clock, so basically, I want to say it kind of started at 8, even though I got here at 7. 4 hours. I don't know how much I made. Let's quickly count the cash and see if, you know, I did good. But I did sell a good amount of things. I wish I would have sold more, because like I said, I'm trying to clear out space. Not really trying to make a lot of money because everything is listed online, so I'm not in a rush to sell things, but I am in a rush to kind of have less space. With me moving and everything, it's easier if I have less sneakers, and sneakers take up a lot versus just a t-shirt and stuff like that. So let's see how much money we made today. All right, well, I just counted everything. I made $489, and we're gonna divide that by 4 hours. So I made $122 an hour selling at the swap shop flea market. I think I'm gonna try doing another day. Like, today is Thursday. I think I might try Saturday, just to see how much more I make. I'm gonna bring the same sneakers. I'm gonna bring more clothes. A lot of people were asking, look, do you have any clothes? Do you have any clothes? So this time I didn't bring much clothes. I kind of just dealt with sneakers. But I think for Saturday, I'm gonna do sneakers and I'm gonna do clothes. So it wasn't bad, $122 an hour. Not bad at all. Honestly, I can't complain. Now I'm gonna quickly go home. I'm gonna take a shower, then we're gonna go get something to eat. So I guess let's just kind of continue today's vlog. I'm not gonna just end it right here. Let's go home and shower. As I was headed home, I was trying to think, like, what can I eat for lunch today? What can I eat for lunch? Like, I had no idea. Well, I saw this place, and this place is right next to my favorite pizza place. I've never eaten there. It's right here. It is called Chicken and Cone. Basically, it is what it is. It's chicken inside a cone. You guys can't really see but the sun. But I got, the chicken is like syrup and cinnamon. So it's basically like chicken and waffles. You have the chicken, and then obviously you have the waffle. And you can get different sauces on it. You can get like hot sauce and barbecue. But I just went with like the normal chicken and waffle type with like the syrup, I guess, with the cinnamon. It's pretty fire. It's super hot, but it's good. I recommend. Very different, but good.